Hello. Now, the continuation of the previous topic, transportation. I just drawn it because I want to present it in a colorful way for you because we couldn't able to do it in our previous sheet. So now I have drawn the structure of the heart, right? Where you can see the colorations I have given everything. I will explain now. So the continuation of that topic, we have seen about the blood, right? The four important elements that we are going to see is, one is blood. We have seen about the composition of the blood. The second we are going to see about heart. And third in that heart itself, we are going to see about blood vessels. Blood vessels. And fourth one about lymph. And fifth one, it is called double circulation. So, the first one is over. Now, the heart we are going to see. Right? Let me go into it. This is the section of the human heart where the heart is a conical structure. Right? With the two types of partition. One partition which is dividing the auricle into two, the other partition which is dividing the ventricle into two. Okay, this is one partition, this is the partition 2. The third partition is dividing the auricle and ventricle. This is 3. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 partitions. This is called the upper chamber, this is the lower chamber, auricle, this is ventricle. The lower chamber is called ventricle, upper chamber is auricle. This is right side, this is left side. Remember. Okay, when I turn like this is right, this is left. So this is how it is. Now we have to name this. How many chambers are formed? Now, the chamber 1, the circle I will take. Then only these will not confuse. This is 1, 2, 3. This is chamber 1, right side. What is it? Auricle. So the A I have mentioned. And this side, left side, and it is an auricle. Chamber 2. Now chamber 3 is right. This is ventricle. This is left ventricle is chamber 4. How many chambers now? 4 chambers are there. 2 and the upper, 2 in the lower. They are called auricle and ventricle. And in between these auricle and auricle, there is a septum. Auricle and auricle. That is right auricle and left auricle. It is in between the auricle. So it is inter-auricular septum. Septum means wall, a membrane. This is. The same way, can you name this? Right ventricle, left ventricle. I'll give 2 seconds. What will be the name? It is in between the ventricle. What will be the name? It is between ventricle, so ventricular. What is this? Septum. You yourself can name it. Interauricular septum, interventricular septum. This is one, this is the 2 which I have mentioned. Suppose if it is between auricle and ventricle, this septum, how will you name this? You cannot say interauricular because this is my auricle, this is ventricle. So, what is this? Auricle, auriculo-ventricular. Because auricle, ventricle both are involved. Septum. Auricular, ventricular septum. So 3 septum 3 septum. Chambers, how many chambers? 4 chambers. So septum is 3, chambers are 4. We have seen now. You have any doubt? Just see, the upper chambers of the heart is auricle, lower chamber is ventricle. The auricle is divided by a septum called interauricular septum. The ventricle is divided by interventricular septum. Auricle and ventricle is divided by auriculoventricular septum. So 3 septum divide the heart into 4 chambers. Now how will you mention the chamber? How will you mention the chambers? Now the chambers you can mention it easily into 4. Right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. There are 4 chambers. Clear? Now we have seen little about the heart. There are 3 valves in the heart, but it is not in the 10th standard. That I will explain later. But the valves I have mentioned here. The valve 1 is tricuspid valve. Valve 2 is tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve. Valve 3 is semilunar. Semilunar is present here as well as here, in these 2 places. See. So 3 valves are present. Right? Okay. Now we have seen. And the heart is a conicular, a muscular organ. And heart muscle is specialized muscle. These are all not in the book, but I am just telling you. This muscle is not under the control of heart. I mean brain, sorry. Brain is not controlling this heart. That is why when something happened to you, when the heart collapses, it is not collapsing every structure, then you can pump and the heart can stimulate and it can start. Okay, so it is an automatic self-regulation. Heart is a very special automatic self-regulation. It can control itself. Right, that in 11th standard you have a huge topic, that we will see. So I have told little about the heart. Is made up of a cardiac muscle, right? Okay, now we will move on now to the next part, blood vessel. Again coming here, this is a heart. Okay, right. Now any blood vessel, for that reason, any blood vessel which enter the heart, only these 2 places the blood vessels are entering the heart. That is right auricle, left auricle. These are veins. Okay, anything which enter into the heart, the arrow is towards the heart. And from here, there is a blood vessel going out. From here, there is a blood vessel going out. That is from the right ventricle, left ventricle. And these 2 are arteries. Remember, arteries emerge from ventricle and veins enter into auricle. If you remember this, it's very easy. Okay, any blood vessel. So, how will you explain? Any blood vessel, if it enters the heart, is called veins. So any blood vessel which leaves the heart, any blood vessel, leave the heart. This is artery. Okay, and I can tell you the name if you want. The right ventricle get blood from these two. See, one superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. These two are the two veins which is entering into right auricle. These two veins are entering here. It pours the blood here, and from here the blood enters here. We should not use the green color for the blood. Okay, that I will make it later. Right. I have just made here. You see, the veins normally, not all the time. Normally, the veins carry blood with high carbon dioxide with low oxygen. So how will you call this? High carbon dioxide. So it is called deoxygenated. Oxygen is less. What is more? Carbon dioxide is more. And this blood is called deoxygenated blood, which is denoted by a blue color. Either the arrow is inside, going in or coming out, it should be denoted by blue color. It's a universal standard color. And any blood vessel which brings blood is vein. So this brings blood on the right side. But what type of blood? Deoxygenated blood. On the left side, for example, the blood vessel which brings blood from the lungs. So what type of blood? It should be with more of oxygen. Just now it is coming from lungs, so more oxygen. It brings the oxygenated blood into the left auricle. And this blood is oxygenated blood with a lot of oxygen, with a less carbon dioxide. Okay, that is why it is denoted always with a red color, whether it is entering in or going out. Now I am going to show you. We said any arrow which is going towards, blood vessel going towards is vein, and anything which is going away from the heart is artery. And I have just made all the arrows. See, first you make the arrows, then make the colorations of the arrows starting from here. So from blue color I started. See, these are bringing blood from the body. So deoxygenated blood enter into the right ventricle, deoxygenated, goes through a pulmonary artery, right side and left side. Right and left pulmonary artery. So that goes to the lung and leave the carbon dioxide, brings the oxygen, and it is brought by the veins into left auricle. Now you see I have made all into red color, and that blood comes to left ventricle. From here it goes to the aorta, and that supplies blood to all over the body. So now you see these two. It is these two arrows are going out, but I have made here which is going out is blue color because deoxygenated blood, which is going out with the red color because it's an oxygenated blood. So arrow should be carefully done. You have to remember just the half. The right side is always with the deoxygenated blood. The left side is always with the oxygenated blood. So red color is used on the left side, blue color is used on the right side. Okay, now do you understand? So blood vessel is over. Two types of blood vessels I have explained. Now we are going to see about the liquid lymph. We will see the lymph. Lymph is nothing but, suppose these are the cells. Imagine I am drawing the cells. Okay, these are the cells. In between the cells, there are some liquid, a thin film of liquid. So that means every cell is protected by a thin film of liquid all over the cells, and it is protected by a thin film of liquid. This liquid is present in between the cells. Is it? So it is in between the cells. It is in between the cells. And these liquid, we call it as interstitial fluid. Interstitial, that is in between the cells. Okay. And it is nothing but lymph. pH. Okay. This is lymph. So the lymph is a interstitial liquid or fluid which is exists in between a thin film of liquid exists in between the cells. That means every cell is protected, covered by this lymph, and all the exchanges takes place between the blood and the lymph. The exchange between the blood and the lymph is the major function. Any exchange, say carbon dioxide exchange, carbon dioxide, oxygen, enzymes, glucose, amino acid, fatty acid, glycerol, hormones, anything in the science, everything is exchanged between the blood and the lymph, and from the lymph only it enters into the cells. Okay, from the lymph only it enters or leaves the cells. That is why it is like a middleman. It is like a middleman between the cell and the blood. See, cell is here, blood is here. The blood cannot enter into the cell. Instead, it leaves everything into the lymph, and lymph supplies to the cells. Cells release it, and the lymph collect and keep it, and blood flows. It sends the unwanted waste material and collect the required minerals, vitamins, enzymes, hormones, everything. So that is why it is called, it's a middleman. It's a thin film of liquid. This liquid is in the color straw yellow colored. That is the paddy stem. If it become dried, you will get a color, no, brownish yellow. That is the color. So straw yellow liquid, that is called lymph. Lymph is also secreted at the lymph nodes present at the joints. Okay, this is regarding lymph. Now we will complete it with a double circulation. Okay, double circulation. Suppose I draw lungs here, right and the left lung. I draw the body here, complete body. Okay, and a heart I will just draw in between, right? Okay, now remember the deoxygenated blood. Okay, deoxygenated blood means I'll use a color. So deoxygenated blood enter into the heart on the right auricle. So with a lot of carbon dioxide. Remember. And where this blood goes, it first comes here, and from here the blood goes to lungs through artery. So carbon dioxide reached here. What happens here? Exchange of gases takes place. And from here, this blood comes to the left auricle. Now once circulation is over, body to the heart, heart to the lung. This is circulation 1. Now the second circulation starts. The blood from here enters into the left ventricle. This is right ventricle. Okay, from here again the blood goes to the body, supplies oxygen. Okay, and the body uses oxygen and leaves carbon dioxide, and that goes to, and this is the second circulation. The second circulation is here. So that is body to the heart to the lung is first circulation. Lung to the heart and from heart to the body is the second circulation. So this type of circulation is called double circulation. This is called double circulation. You understand? So body, the deoxygenated from the body to the heart, from heart to the lung, that is one circulation. And after the gaseous exchange, the oxygenated blood comes from the lungs to the heart. From the heart, it is distributed to the body. That's the second circulation. Whereas in the fishes, if you see, it's a S-type heart. Okay, where there is only one circulation. From the lung it comes and it goes out. Whereas in higher animals, the blood is having two circulations. So these two circulations supplies more oxygen and also control the temperature. It also acts as a thermodynamics. Okay. Now this is the entire transportation about the heart, blood vessel, lymph and double circulation. Go through this repeatedly. Okay. Go through this repeatedly, and you have any doubt, you can clarify. I am very happy to clear your doubts. Okay. Bye.